HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, just got home. Y'all don't get to see the Viper very much. So headed out just a little bit tonight. And didn't win with the Viper, but I did win first place with the costume contest. That was pretty cool. So get this thing backed in there. Right guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.